Hey YouTube, we're making a video on how to drag zombies in Red Dead Redemption with zombie bait.
First what you do, oh crap.
Shit. Go lasso that bitch again.
I think she died.
Just lasso her again. Oh, you can't. You gotta go find a new zombie.
Oh. Well anyway,
You just lasso them, and then while you're on your horse, you lasso them and drag them with you. You're about to fall off your horse.
Aww. How do you know that?
The blue thing right over there. Right over there, that blue little bar.
Slow down. Oh, hey. Check. You guys want to see Undead Bait, how it works? Oh, well. Yeah, zombies do that.
Fuck, run!
Think of you. Undead Bait out. Go get it. I don't zombie attacks.
Lasso that bitch and run. No, you gotta get on first and then lasso, dumbass.
Oh. Oh. I just really want.
Dude, you suck.
Shut up.
Oh, really? It would be easier. You're just getting raped by zombies.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
I thought we were supposed to be showing how to lasso zombies, not fucking rape them up the ass with your pistol. Leave that one. Oh shit, there's tons more.
Here, leave that one. Oh, shit, dude.
Oh fuck.
While he's shooting zombies, look at this cracker.
Stop! Stop fucking funny, faggot.
Man or woman?
Woman.
Woman, okay.
No likes that dirty whore.
Lasso him, so
Get on your freaking horse and then lasso him, you
I
dumbass.
just lassoing him first. Come on.
Lassoed, and now let's go.
So
Wee! Show him that you're dragging him.
why didn't you lock Holly in your bedroom? The door's open.
Dirty dick.
I didn't lock her in my bedroom. Where'd you lock her in? Grandma's bedroom. Oh, I should try to find like a